How to fix if Discord friends or server profile picture is not loading. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open settings. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on search button located on top right corner of your screen. Then search apps and notification. Simply type apps and you'll find apps and notification. Then search for Discord in here by clicking on see all apps, or simply click on Discord if you have it. Force stop the app, then go to storage and cache. Clear cache and clear storage. After that, you can simply restart your phone. Then open the app and log into your account and your problem will be fixed. That's how to fix Discord friends or server profile picture not showing up. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.